I'm going to eat ice cream. Perfect ice cream. This is move this. Can you see what's that? No. So, let's see what's that. Yeah.
Careful. Peace out.
I'm actually going to take this. Where's my marshmallow? That's like a little baby. Hide an indigo. Hey, what's this? Another marshmallow. That's white. Okay. Whatever.
What?
I said next time I figure out.
Oh my god, I was just in the bathroom. Not
Oh, It is annoying because my bottle did this. It is annoying when you go in the bathroom and you just have to go back to the bathroom. Because that's what my bottle did. Yeah. 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 That's good. This video is probably going to be short. That's good. Peace out.